Now we have to construct for SLR table. See, we just right now we did about how to find outing for SLR 0 item and SLR automata. We are move on to the next step, how to construct your SLR table. For the construction of SLR table, we have to use an algorithm. According to the algorithm we are doing for that. Before doing SLR table, you have to find out the first and follow set for the given problem. The first and follow set you have to write down, and the method for the find outing for the first and follow is same as for the previous top down parsing only, but no need to do left recursion or left factoring for the given grammar. Directly you take and take as it is for the grammar. For that, first of S is A, first of A is capital A, follows of S is, because of the start symbol I can write dollar, and follow of S is first of A. Then follow of capital A is also follow of S. You can copy down dollar and A. After this, you have to go for the table construction. The table have two parts. The two parts are can be mentioning as, one part is called as an action part. The action parts only the terminal symbols are come. The second part is called go to. The go to are non-terminal symbol. These are all terminal symbol. The non-terminal symbol in the given problem, the given problems are S and A. Terminal symbols in the given problem, small a and a dollar. Then after that, you have to write how many states in the given problem. The states are representing as I0, I1, I2. You can write I0 or 0. Book will have a 0. That is called states. I0 state, I1 state, I2 states, I3 states, I4 states. Okay, now well, this is the configuration of your SLR table. Using the table, you can say the grammar is SLR1 or not. How to identify the table have a multiple entries by shift and reduce configuration. According to that, or reduce conflict is there in the action part, then you can say the grammar is not SLR table. See, now we have to fill this action and go to table. You have to visit your construction of your finite automata. Now we are in the I0 state. You have to first check how many outgoing edges are there. So outgoing edges are capital S, capital A and small a. You have to write the first one is capital S. It's going the state I1. Then you have to write in that I0 state capital A, it going the state as 1. We should be write the numerical number as 1 only. Then you have to visit again that I0 state capital A, sorry, I have to write here in the S state 1, and this is you have to remove. Visit the table. The table and capital A, it is going to state 2. Then you have to write the state number 2. Then you have to check for your finite automata. Capital S is over, capital A is over, the go to function is over. Then you have to write the action part. The action part can be written by using of the small one. The I0 state, I am reading small a, it going state I3. See, instead of writing number 3 in the action state, you should be write S3. So you should be write I0 state on small a, it's going the state 3, including 3, you have to write one more letter, yes. It indicates shifting operation. See, that is called shifting operation, S3. Now visit your I0 state, all outgoing edge is over. Then you have to check for all the items, do you have any reductions are there? Reduction is nothing but dot at the end of the production. Dot at the end of the production. Dot is not at the end of the production, then I0 state there is no reduction. Okay, let me move for the I1 state. See, I1 state, how many outgoing edges are there? There are two outgoing edge. One is capital A. Capital A, it's reading, it going state 4. Then you have to write in the place of capital A 4. Then visit your diagram. In the diagram, check small a. Yes, small a is there. The small a, it going state 3. Then you have to write small a, right? Yes, 3. Then after that, is there any reduction in the I1 state? See, you have to check for all the reduction, but I have only one reduction, that is S dash divided S dot. That is your augmented grammar, S dash divided S dot. Because of that, you have to write in the place of table dollar space, you should be write accepting, that it gets end of your input. In the state number 1, in the dollar state, you should be write accepting. The top of the stack is 1 on input reading dollar, it can say accepting. That state number 1 is also over. Now move on to state number 2. We have to fill the state number 2. Visit your diagram. The state number 2 says, I have any outgoing edge. Now there is no outgoing edge. Now I have to checking for reduction is there or not. For the checking for the reduction, yes, dot at the last of the production. Yes, now I can write reduction. Now I have to write reduction as a R. Then where to write? There are two questions that arises. Where to write and which number I have to write. First solve the which number I have to write. So which number, R1, R2, R3, which number I have to write. For that, you take the given problem from the question, you should be assigned number for in any order. See, whichever order you can order. See, I order as 1, 2, 3. Then according to that, I have to check my production. So my production is S0 as A. S0 as A is the number is 3. That means I want to write R3. The next question is where to write. Which one? That one? S0 is capital A. S0 is capital A is 2. Now I want to write R2. Where to write? So next is where to write. To that you should be take follow set of that production. That is the head of the production. What is the head of the production? Head of the production is yes in the place of yes. That is means follow set of yes. I have to write R2. What is the follow set of yes? Dollar and A. In dollars place R2 and A space you have to write R2. Then let's move on to the table. The table go to I3. I3 again A divided as A. There is no outgoing edge. Say there is a dot at the end of the production. That means it is a reduction. Because of reduction, I have to write the number. What is the number? Number as per the assigning, that is 3. I want to write R3. Where to write? Head of the production. What is the head of the production? Capital A. The capital A I have to write dollar at A. In these places I have to write what? R3. You should be right R3, R3. Okay, let's move on for the next step. It is for last production I4. I4, there is an outgoing edge. No, there is no outgoing edge in this. But I have a reduction because dot of the end of the production. See, now I have to find out what is the number for that. What is the number? S0 is SA. The number is 1. Okay, now I got number is 1. Where to write? Then where to write? You should be go head of the production of yes. What is the head of the production? Yes, dollar and A. In this place, I have to write R1 and R1. Okay, now the table filling is over. This is called construction of your table. R2, R3, R1, R1. See, after filling the table, you have to give justification that grammar is SLR or not. So you have to observe the table. Do you have a multiple entries in the table? So what is the multiple entry? See, now I have for all the table have a single entries, only shift or it can be reduced. There is no conflict should be occurring. See, some of the cases in the table will be look like is like this. There is a shifting is also there. There is a reducing is also there. Some of the condition it should be look like. There are two types of reduction. There is a confuse to the parser. Can I do with the R1 reduction or can I go for R2 reduction? For the table contains the multiple entries in this, then I can say the grammar is not SLR. Or else there is a single entries in the table, we can conclude that the grammar is SLR. See, according to the algorithm, we construct SLR table. The SLR table contains action and go to. Okay, this table is using to parse your given input. That is you have to do for the stack operation for the next. Then how to do for the stack operation? We'll do it now.